welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today I'm doing a video because this is the most wanted video that I've ever seen anywhere else. It's about the 5 basic makeup eyeshadow brush that you need to create a look. For instance, this look, I use 5 simple brushes to create this look, and they are not expensive. So if you want to see the 5 basic brush that you need to create any look, stay tuned and watch this video.
Yeah, hi. All right. So the first brush that I have is a ColourPop, and this is the E2, and that is what I'm going to use to do my transition color. Yes, and the E2 is a little fluffy brush, and what it does is distribute the colors really well, especially when you're using it for your transition. It really gives it that buffy look that you're looking to get. Okay, this is not your main color. So this brush does so well, and I love it to use to do a transition mostly. And of course, I'm making sure, there you go, really nice. And I'm holding it at the tip. I'm not holding it in the middle, so which means that give me more precision hold of the brush, so I can handle the brush better, and the color can go on to my lid lightly. All right, and I'm just gonna add some more color just to darken it up just a little bit, and that's what you want it to look like. So there you go. I'm darkening it up a little just to make sure I get a little pigmented, and I'm tapping. If you see, I'm tap blend. When you tap, you're just adding more color to that specific spot. Just a little note on the side. The next one that I'm going to go in with is the Morphe, and that is the M453. It's a little fluffier than the ColourPop. If you can see the difference, one is tapered and one is more fluffy. And I'm going to use that brush to add a second color, or one of my main colors, to my lid. Again, that is the Morphe M453. And I'm going to use that to add one of my main color, and which is a purple. I'm just darkening up my corner. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to continue to do that. And if you see, I am able to control where I want my color to start and where I want my color to stop. See that? That is the Morphe. Yes, you know Morphe has the best brushes out there. I love Morphe brushes. Really, really good qualities. There you go. I'm just giving you another overview how small it is. There you go. Another comparison. One is small and one is really fluffy. Do you see that? Yes. All right, so now I have done my cut crease, and I'm going to tell you what brush I used to do my cut crease with. Now, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18, and that is what I use to cut my crease, especially if you're not an expert like myself in cutting crease. The Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 is a precise flat brush, and it's really flat and really indents to cut your crease really well. I'm not an expert on that, but I do love using that brush, and I find it much easier. Now, that brush I'm using is from Coastal Ascent, and I don't have the number, but it's a little too thick, so I went to a smaller one. So both are still Coastal. I'm just getting a smaller one that can give me more control of my color that I'm applying, especially since I'm right there in my tear duct. You would need a smaller flat brush. It's still a flat brush. It's just really small. And that's all I'm doing is adding the color. And I will use this brush to do the entire part of my cut crease. I'll flip one side to the next side. See, that's the same brush. Very flat brush from Coastal Ascent. I'm using one part for the other color and one part for the other color. Just switch it around. There you go. I'm just giving you a closer look of what it looks like. Of course, you got to do a couple more blending on the corner. Now I'm going to use my MAC This is a 234, my favorite brush for adding dark colors. I do not know why. Every time I add a dark color, I use this MAC. So a MAC 234 to do my blending, especially when I'm coming with a dark shade. So that's one eye that's completed. Now I'm going to show you all the brushes in order that I used. Yeah, maybe I need to move it around and put the ColourPop one first so you can see them in order. Yeah, let's move it around. There you go. All right, so first I had is a ColourPop, then I had the Morphe, then I had the MAC, then I Anastasia Beverly Hills and Coastal Ascent. That's it, guys. That's all you need to create this look. What you say? Yes, I'm feeling myself. Thank you, guys.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I hope this video was very informative. I hope you learned something that you do not need a ton of brushes to create a look. You need 5 simple brushes. I hope you guys will go out and pick up these brushes and create a look that will draw people to your face. What? Yes. Anyway, leave a comment below, subscribe, share these videos, and yeah, watch this one, yep. Leave a comment so we can interact, right? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye-bye.